Hey, what up guys, myself Kunal here and you are watching KSTV, and in today's video I'll be talking about a smartphone that does not have a headphone jack. It also doesn't have a USB charging port, neither does it have volume rockers or the power unlock button. So guys, you might be wondering, how does this smartphone even perform or work? And how can you operate on this phone? So without wasting any of your time, let's get straight into the video. So guys, the phone that I was talking about is launched by the company named as Meizu, and the name of the smartphone is called as Meizu Zero. The zero indicating that the phone has 0 holes and 0 ports. So no charging port, no volume rockers, neither does it have an headphone jack. So how do you expect it to work? So guys, this is how Meizu does it. Instead of a USB charging port, the Zero smartphone uses something called as the wireless charging technology. It has 18 watts of fast wireless charging, which is currently the fastest wireless charging technology available in the world. And instead of the tactile power and the volume rockers, the Zero smartphone has touch capacitive sensors placed on the side of the smartphone. Also, the front of the smartphone does not have a grill cutout for the speaker on the smartphone, but the screen itself is a speaker thanks to those piezoelectric transducers that we saw in the Mi Mix as well. Also, the Zero smartphone does not have any SIM slots available. Instead, it uses the eSIM technology. And coming towards the headphone jack, at any point of time you can opt for Bluetooth earphones. So guys, this is the approach Meizu uses in its Zero smartphone to avoid all the holes and ports in the smartphone. So guys, with the special things out of the way, let me guys tell you once about the specifications of this smartphone. Well, the Zero smartphone comes with a 5.99 inches of an OLED display with an in-display fingerprint scanner. The processor in this smartphone is a Snapdragon 845 processor of last year with an LPDDR4 RAM of up to 6 GB. At the back of the device, you will find a pair of Sony made 20 megapixel and 12.3 megapixel dual camera combination, and at the front of the device you will get a 20 megapixel camera. Also, as you can expect from a phone with 0 holes and ports, the Zero smartphone is completely water and dust resistant, and it also get IP68 rating. So guys, these are all the special things and the features that you should know about the Zero smartphone that has been recently launched by Meizu. So the overall look and the feel of this design feels very premium, and Meizu has used some very clever and interesting approaches to build this smartphone. And in the future, we hope to see many other devices similar to this Zero smartphone. So guys, this has been it in this video guys. If you like this video, please go ahead and hit the thumbs up button and let me know your thought. What do you guys think about this Zero smartphone from Meizu in the comment section below. And for more interesting videos like this, please do subscribe to our channel KSTV by clicking on the icon right over here. And until then, keep watching KSTV.